In this video, I am going to show you how to make simple and steady slider for your website. When you click navigation button, the image will slide background smoothly as you can see here. To do this, I will show you step by step. First, I will go WordPress dashboard. Then you have to go face. From there, we will click add new pages to create new pages. Then I have to give a title. After that, I will click edit with Elementor. Next, we will click setting. From there, we will select page layout to Elementor canvas. Then we will add container and we will set a minimum height 100 bs. One side we will have text, another side we will have slider. For the integrator, we will add another container. Below, add another container for other elements. I want to place them like this side by side. So for that, I will go parent container and here I'll set direction to row. I don't need too much space for integrator, so I will reduce it. Yeah, now width is perfect. To add elements, we will use separate container to make editing easier. First, I will add container for text. Then we will insert heading. Then we will adjust typography. Next, we will duplicate heading and replace it with text editor. Yes, okay. Follow the same process. We will add another button. I'll remove text and here I insert button widget. And fix style, going style tab. To center all elements, we will select parent container and set justify content to center. For the slider, we will use testimonial widget. To add testimonial widget, we will search here testimonial. Then we will add it. I want slider center, that's why I will select parent container and justify content to center. Now I will remove extra text and image. I don't need it and I will remove. Okay. Here I will give name and I will upload slider image. After that I will duplicate it and change name and replace image. Again duplicate it, remove image. Okay, almost setup done. Now I will configure here some setting. Here we'll set slider per preview 5 and adjust width pixel, and I will disable autoplay for better control. To make slider work, we need to add some CSS and JavaScript code and also add CSS class to specific targeted elements. This is necessary to connect them with the slider so that when the slider item will change, the effect are applied those elements accordingly. First, we will add a class to parent container and also include some CSS inside the parent container. Next, I will add class name in the testimonial widget. So I will select testimonial widget. Then I go advanced. Here I will provide class name and also I need to include some CSS here. So okay. Now I need to add JavaScript code. To add JavaScript code, I will use HTML widget. Now I'll search HTML and I'll place them. I'll place them here. Mm. After paste JavaScript code, now slider is work as you can see here. Okay, let me check. Now is working as you can see here. Now we need to add here navigation button to change a slider item. So to add navigation button, we will use a container. So now I will add another container here. To add button, we will use button widget. Instead of text, I want to use icon. To, to do this, I will go icon library. Now here I will select a left arrow icon. Okay, let me find left arrow icon. Yeah, I found it. After selecting, I will insert it and I will remove text. Follow the same process. I will add another button for right arrow for navigation. I want to place them two buttons side by side. That's why I select parent container and here I select direction to row and here I give 100 for border radius and 22% padding. As you can see here, now it's look more better. So I'll copy style and paste here style. Yeah, now it's look more better. To make button functional, we need to add CSS class. To add CSS class, we will go advanced tab and here we will add CSS class. Now I will publish phrase. I am so excited to test. Now I'll click right button. Yeah, it's work as you can see here. Okay, so now I will go editor phase. Next, we want find a click navigation button. The text will automatically change that I want now. To do this, we need to duplicate heading 5 times. So now I will do it. To make it work, we need to add some CSS. So I'll select parent container and we need to include some CSS. So I will include. Let me check it work or not. As you can see, it is not working because we didn't add a CSS class. So we need to also add a CSS class here. Okay, after adding CSS class, we will publish it and let me check. Yeah, as you can see, now it's work. Okay, if I click navigation button, then also change automatically change title as you can see here. Okay, same process I will apply it here. First we duplicate it 5 times. Let me duplicate. Now I will change text to make it work. We need to add also CSS and CSS class. So to add CSS class and CSS, we will select parent container and first I will add CSS. So and here we will add class. Okay, after adding, we will click publish button. Okay, let me check it work or not. Yeah, fantastic, it's work. As you can see, now it's look more beautiful. Now we will functional integrator like this. Okay, so to do this, I will go editor and we need to add CSS class name and CSS in the integrator. Okay, so I'll go advanced and go custom CSS. Then we will add integrator class. Okay, then we will click publish button. Let me check integrator work or not. uh, as you can see here is integrator visible. uh, yeah, integrator is work, but we need to adjust some CSS, then it will be visible perfectly. Here I will set minimum height. First we will select parent container and and uh, and I will remove minimum height. Okay, and I will give a padding here. Okay, let me check now. Basically, I want to make it align center, so I will fix it later. So first I will upload a background image uh, to make it like this, as you can see here. So for that we will upload a background image. So first I will select parent container and go advanced and sorry, go style tab and I will upload image here. Okay, now I click publish button. After reload, as you can see, gone everything. So we need to fix it. To fix it, we need to give a jet index. So here I'll give 1, and I also select a testimonial wizard, and here I give 2, and also I have to go parent container, and here to fix effect loop will be disabled. So after that I will click publish. Okay, let me check. Yeah, now design, now functionality and design is fixed now, as you can see here. So now we need to fix integrator, as you can see here. I will select here justify content to space between. After that, here I also select alignment items center. Then I will publish. After that, it will be fixed. Yeah, as you can see, it fixed. So I want also bulk effect, as you can see here. Let me show. Yeah, you can see here. So I want to like this effect, so I will add it. To add it, I will select uh, parent container, and I need to add some CSS for bulk effect. Yeah, as you can see, bulk effect is added. So let me check. uh, yeah, it's worked perfectly. So now text is not visible, so I want make it like this. So we need to add some style here. So I'll do it. First I select elements container, and I go advanced, so I go style tab, and I give background. Now looks it more beautiful. So we need to also adjust title. Okay, let me check. Now it's look more better, as you can see here. I hope you understand how to create awesome slider. If you ever need help creating any custom functionality, you can come to me. I am WordPress plugin developer. So thank you so much for watching my full video.